Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a device that's redefining what a smartphone can do, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And let me tell you, this one's a beast. From console-level gaming performance to next-gen AI and XR tech, Samsung is bringing some serious firepower. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the core of this power, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This chip isn't just powerful, it's game-changing. Imagine being able to play games with graphics and speeds that we'd only expect from dedicated gaming consoles. To put things in perspective, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's GPU is so advanced it's going toe-to-toe with the ROG Ally, a handheld gaming console. And get this, it can run Red Dead Redemption at a jaw-dropping 160 frames per second. Now, we don't know all the details about graphics settings, but the fact that it's even possible? Mind-blowing. But wait, it gets even better. This powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite supports Linux, meaning you can emulate PC and console games directly on your phone. Just imagine, playing Assassin's Creed on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung could even partner with top game studios to bring AAA titles made specifically for mobile. Gaming on your phone has never looked this real. Now, as amazing as this power is, all that performance could have a catch. Heat. The first phone with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the Realm GT7 Pro, had some overheating in early tests. But some say it might have just been a single faulty unit or optimization issue. Regardless, Samsung has got to nail the cooling system on this one. Effective cooling is key to unlocking the true potential of this chip, especially when you're gaming. And get this, Samsung might be using an exclusive, overclocked version of this Snapdragon 8 Elite, branded as the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. Imagine that, even more power, designed just for the Galaxy S25 series. On the software front, Samsung's working on One UI 7.0, and it seems like it's still being tested on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. They've delayed the beta launch, but this update could bring the stability and optimization the S25 Ultra needs to handle its insane hardware. Now, Samsung's big plans don't stop there. They've just teased their upcoming XR, extended reality, devices, set for release in 2025. These XR devices will run on a custom version of Android, with Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Plus chip designed specifically for immersive experiences. Imagine pairing the S25 Ultra's power with Samsung's new XR gear. This could completely change mobile entertainment. To top it off, Samsung has given us the first official mention of the Galaxy S25 series, confirming enhanced AI capabilities and a premium design. With more power, better cooling, and the possibility of AAA gaming, Samsung is pulling out all the stops to redefine what's possible on a smartphone. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra the ultimate powerhouse you've been waiting for? Will Samsung solve the heat issue and turn this into the perfect gaming machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.